Romans chapter number 8, verse number 28. Romans chapter number 8, verse number 28. Right. And we know that all things work together for good to them that love God, to them who are called according to his purpose. And we know that all things, I say all things, conquer, work together for good to them that love God and to those who are called according to his purpose.
Siyazi ukuthi kwabamthandayo uNkulunkulu konke kusebenzelana kube ngokuhle kulabo ababiziwe ngecebo lakhe. Siyazi ukuthi kwabamthandayo uNkulunkulu konke kusebenzelana kube ngokuhle kulabo ababiziwe ngecebo lakhe. Iyaphinda basekhona ekseni uNkulunkulu sifana njengabantwana abancane bebisi sonke ngani sokhambisa uNkulunkulu sifunde sonke ngezwi lakho baba sikwaziyo zokusho sisele kodwa sizothula sikulalele kunomthizo yakho ngegameni lika Jesu Nkosi amen.
Tell your neighbor ukuthi it's working for your good. Because that's our theme. It's working for your good. Tell now we call it, it's working for your good. Namhlanje ngifuna sibuke lento yokuthi it's working for your good. Emhlabeni sometimes we encounter izinto ezingezona lezi esihlelile. Emhlabeni we encounter things lezi ezange ziziphuphe. Lokho kuphuphile kume. Kodwa kuqhamuke lokho ongakazi ukuphuphe. Kube yikona. Futhi okunye kube back to a point ukuthi kube ngathi uNkulunkulu akasekho. Kodwa futhi mawufika le nkonzo sithi yena akahluleki. Sometimes ungena enkonzweni uzwe ukuthi uyahluleka. Kodwa vele kusuka umuntu ahlale ithula athi akahlulwa yilutho uJesu. Uthi usalake lokho kusuma uyathi uNkulunkulu akazange lahle selo ngasindiswa. Angaze ngimbone ehluleka. Wena uhleli phansi uyabona ukuthi ngi-apply every week ngihlale ngisend ama-applications. But nothing is coming. Ngamamazi, it's not every day. La khona uzohlala khona ukuthi hayi yonke into ibonakala njani ilungile. And ngifuna ukukusiza namhlanje. Ayehleli wena wedwa lento engikhuluma ngayo. Yehlela nalabo abangasho ukuthi abanye bayasho. Abanye abasho kodwa injani iyabehlela. Kunabantu ngaba-interview manje ubabuza ukuthi wow uNkulunkulu ngamchaza njengomuntu othembekile. Mangasabe honest akhiphe okusenhlizweni yakhe angakuthetha hayi kumina uNkulunkulu akathembekanga. Ngamanye amazwi khona izinto emhlabeni ezenzakalayo zibe out kule setup wena leli wish yakho ubuyibekile. Futhi khona into ezike zenzeke bishop unikelile. Zenze usevile. You give everything you have to the Lord. Kodwa uthi uvele kuhlephuke, uthi kuvele kuhlephuke. Uyibuza ukuthi ngishiye konke. Ngeza kule setup kaNkulunkulu kodwa kwangafuna ukuhlangana. Because empilweni nje I want to assure you from time to time izinto zibe zingahambi. Ngale ndlela wena uplane ngayo. Ukuplana ufunda ungakazi ufaile uzuqede. Ungethi ungazi ufaile. Ufike phasithi uxakwe into ongazi na ukuthi into elula kangangiqala kanjani. Uyiphase zonke kube khona imodule nje ezokuthi nje ngizokutshengisa ukuthi mina ngubani. Sometimes uzidoubt ukuthi engathi iqende lama lisebenzi kahle. Nje uzuthi did I even choose the right thing? No you did. Ukuthi kuphela nje kunezinto evele pop up. Bese sizophazamisa. And why lezi zinto zenzeka zithandwa yini? Maybe let me simplify it for you. Every fertile ground, any ground that is prepared very well, ukuthi utshale kuyona, it takes a lot ukuthi ufake chemicals, ufake omanyolo nayo yonke into, then bese kuthiwa this ground is fertile. Ukuthi uma ufaka kuyona noma yini ezophuma khona izokwenza njani izomila. Angithi nyanga nasenza bathandekayo. Then what happens is that the more in ground is fertile, the more my chances of what it means to are high. You almost guarantee what I'm using a good quality seeds, and my ground is prepared very well. So you know I've got water and sun is shining, so it's bound to come out. I think you understand that. But nothing goes. The more in ground is fertile, and the more tolerance in the land, the higher the chances of ama weeds will be more than the place engakazi prepared. That is why a child that is raised very well has a lot of challenges. Ngezinto ongazi ukuthi ingane yomzalwane yayithathe ukuthi ihlekele amadlozi. No, ama weeds ayakhula because izalelwe kwi fertile ground. Yonke into etshalwe emhlabathini ovundileyo, you must know ukuthi kunezinto ezovele zimi, and remember ukhula liphakelwa lidla le fertile yakho. Sometimes you want to step in so lungekho ukhule umuzi thizeni hayi ukuthi bayaklini ukuthi abanye amhlabathi ovundile. Ngamanye amazwi ngesikhathi ufaka ivangeli enganeni, ngesikhathi ubatshela ukuthi hlonipha wonke umuntu, wenze njani ufundise umhlabathi, but don't fool yourself. Ukhula lindile isizovele liqhamuke alisile nasenganeni lize nje ukuzodla lembewu ekade itshaliwe. Unfortunately abaningi basala ngaphakathi okhuleni. So angifuni ubone sengathi uNkulunkulu akekho. No, we are a fertile ground. So since we are a fertile ground, then you must know ukuthi njalo ama-weeds azohlala eqhamuka. Umuntu ongathandaza kathi kwayilutho. Umuntu akaxakwa yilutho uma ukhuluma naye vele uthi angazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. You know we are a fertile ground. Kunabantu abangabathola abantwana. Uma ubayisa kudokotela manje uthi akabacheck bazokunika ama-results athi ngayo yonke i-setup biologically wena abantwana fanele uyabathola. Kodwa uma umbuza ukuthi why ngabatholi, there is no explanation. Yazi benzekeni, it's a fertile ground. But the devil i-challenge ukhula lokuthi livimbe inzalo, ukuthi ukuze ube discouraged, ube umakoti o discouraged. Uthi uma uqhamuka usathana kutshela ukuthi noma ungajumpa but you have no child. Kodwa abantu ngikhuluma namhlanje must rise above that. Athi usathana mayekutshela ukuthi you have no child, uthi oh kodwa konke is working good for my ngeke usafayo uma uphiliswa ukuthi wena kumila kahle futhi wena kumila kahle lungekho ukhula. Siyambonga uNkulunkulu futhi siyakubongela, but ngizokuba nomuntu ophazanyiswa ukukhula because umhlabathi uvundile. Ngeke ukhula lingakhuli la kuvunde khona. Ingane engakhuzwa ngeke uyithole ama-drugs. Ingane lezi ezifundiswe yonke into oyifika ihalela ubhemi unga kanjani. No, umhlabathi uvundile. Umhlabathi uvundile. Usathana akasithi isikhathi umhlabathi ungavundile. And let me tell you why Satan has still got about funding. It's because the Bible is listening to the Bible. None but no puppies. Kunabantu Satan sebafaka isitems of puppies. Ngisho ngathi ke respond ukuthi hayi lo sengamfaka. Angithi uqala ngokubulala. Mawusabulala usaqeda ngithe khona. But upuppies usubulala nama generations. Mawubulala uqala ngami ngife mina. Kodwa mawusufuna ukubhubhisa nento ezozalwa yimina nayisala ingathi ishu. So kunabantu asababulala usebhizi ukubhubhisa ama-generations ezemva kwabo. We are a fertile ground. So since we are a fertile ground, into ezozenzakalela ukuthi kube nokhulu. Na uPaul ubhala lana-ke uthila nezimo zabantu aba-discouraged ukuthi naku izinto zibheke eceleni. Nazi izinto zingahambi kahle kodwa sabazalwane. Ngamamazi lento ukuthi izinto zingahambi kahle kumzalwane aziqali usula i-redemption yethu. Izinto ezinjani ezindala. Now, nansi into evamise ukusibamba bese sigcina sibone ngathi uNkulunkulu akasathembekile. Since we are a fertile ground and since uSathane ehlale efaka ukhula ngaso sonke isikhathi, but nansi ke i-role thina efanele siyidlale is to allow the Lord ukuthi isisebenze ngendlela efuna ngayo ukuze konke kusebenzelane kube ngokuhle. Ngamazwi into yokuthi konke kusebenzelane kube ngokuhle kulabo abamethembayo futhi nalabo abezwe ngecebo lakhe. Ayisebenzi umuntu who doesn't want to let go of izinto enakaba ukuthi zizomsiza kanti thina azizona ezomsiza. Ayikho bazalento esibambayo njengabantu njengento efana ukusuyidedelile kodwa wena uyibamba. Kunomuntu akabamba ijob abambe ijob kanti uNkulunkulu kade amkhipha kuyona. Ubhizi ubambelele kuyona uthi no ngeke ize ngihambe le job i-right ngabe impesheni yala i-right kanti uNkulunkulu kade alakho uhlelo lokuthi wena fanele ngabe siwaphuma kulo uyokhala uthi kodwa Nkosi wangathi abeka kanti uNkulunkulu uyakubuka nje ukuthi ukuba uyazi ukuthi lento yakhe iyona esimbambe kunento ehleli kuyona njengamanje fanele ngabe akade uyidedela but ingenxa ukuthi iyona ubona ngathi iyakuphilisa uyasaba ukuyidedela ngoba ucabanga ukuthi uma wayidedela impilo yakhe izophelela phansi kodwa ekuseni namhlanje ngizokutshela ukuthi khona izinto efanele uyiyeke zife empilweni yakho ukuze kubonakala uNkulunkulu enza leli vesti lokuthi konke kusebenzelana kube ngokuhle kulabo abanjani abamethembayo. Kunabantu abazofa unethemba kubona bafukhala ukuthi kodwa angafa kanjani kade ngithembe yena. Let me tell you badedele bahambe uhlelo kaNkulunkulu ngoba vele noma ufunda iBhayibheli kunabantu abafa. Lento ngisho i-controversial kunabantu abafa ukuze kuphakama abanye. No, this one is not going to be popular, I know. You see, kunabantu abafa eBhayibhelini ukuze benze njani i-process yokuphakanyiswa sometimes it involves separation. Ukuze uphakanyiswe sometimes kufanele kuso Abraham akamenza ngalutho uNkulunkulu akamenza ngalutho Abraham esahleli kubo but kwaphokho ukuthi Abraham phuma ezweni likoyise mfana kanjani sophila ngani kwathi ukuthi utshela umuntu ongabuzi wathi omunye ngilandele uAbraham wahamba kukhona uNkulunkulu abamgadile kodwa wabashiya wangathi ngizomthola lapho zongada wahamba naye wamisa ezweni angalazi ngesikhathi esahleli kubo asimuzwe ukuthi Abraham is my friend kodwa uba umngani ngoba sekwenzeka i-process of separation kukhona izinto bathandekayo ekumele siyiseparate nazo not because kunjani uNkulunkulu uyabona ukuthi zizohambe ziphazamise kwi-future yakho. Nanti into engozi ngoNkulunkulu akakutshengisi ukuthi i-future uzokuphazamisa kanjani usibani bani. Ukutshela nje ukuthi akasuke lo uthi kanjani ke mthanda kangaka. Wakadedela uAbraham ukuhamba indodana yakhe lezi yokuqala uIshmael. Kodwa sesiunderstand manje ukuthi uIshmael waqhubeka wakhula. Sasikwazi ukuthi sithi uIsaac was a typology of Christ was sacrificed because he sacrificed yayiyodwa. Mase bebabe kodwa hlayixoshwe omncane zasithi this God is cruel but he was making a way for Isaac to shine. There are people abazofanele bahambe impilo yakho uzashine. When you ubambelele bona ukuthi kodwa ngaba there are some of you are sitting down here who are hurt because balingazo ukuthi usibani manje bengibambelelekene kodwa betray those who are betraying you. It's a plan of God ukuthi le betrayal it's a separation ezopropel ukuthi ukwazi uye phezulu. Kunabantu efanele basuke who are not good for you and unfortunately uNkulunkulu akasiniki formula sometimes ilaba bonakala be best yabona ukunikeza imali mase kuzophela inyanga possibly uyena efanele kasuke ukuze wena ukwazi ukukhuphuka phezulu. Ukuthi asazi inkinga yethu ukuthi asazi ukuthi babonakala kanjani ngoba uNkulunkulu ususa nabagudi aphinda asuse nababhede kuba buhlungu makusuka ababhede abagudi makusuka ababhede siyajabula futhi sijabula kakhulu mase sibona ukuthi futhi labo ababhede uvamise ukubayeka nje babe yive enyameni ubona abantu abanestress ukuthi babe yive enyameni bahlale nje ugule labo balungile lo isathaniya lihlale nje ukuthi libe yive enyameni ngoba uvula ifoni livele isathaniya uthi uyangena esontweni welcome welona isathaniya uthi uyadlula umile makuthi nomnalo lesathaniya ka-right kwenze njani ayazi niva uphole uthi yive enyameni liququde meke wezwa ukuthi igama lakade libheke phansi uyazi likhona lelo sathaniya wonke umuntu unalelakhe ukuthi ngeke ngikunike imike elami ulokuzayo ulokuzayo masiphuma zocheck ulokuzayo ngisho ubaba happy kanjani kodwa vele kuqhamuke lithi ya indule engafi bathi indule engafi uPaul makes a very powerful statement uthi we know ngamamaza kasho uthi maybe uthi siyazi mawuthi siyazi futhi unobufakazi uthi we know ukuthi konke akasho uthi we think uthi we know siyazi ukuthi konke futhi akasho ukuthi maybe uthi all ngamanye amazwi ukufaka umuntu can work for your good uxabana nabantu abachaphele can work for you because yena uthi siyazi as long as ubizwe ngokwecebo lakhe obani ababizwe ngecebo lakhe yilabo abamukela uJesu bathola basebemukela umessage wesiphambano bathi singabantwana bakaNkulunkulu ngamanye amazwi uma wena nje ukwazi ukungena kulebhokisi lokuthi umntwana kaNkulunkulu then you qualify ukuthi we know ngamanye amazwi konke kwasebenzana kwaba ngokuhle kuba bezalwane kulabo abamethemba ungabi ikholo elibabaza izinto ezimbi kakhulu futhi mina ukuthi angi-advise ukuthi ungafakazi kakhulu ngesikhathi kubheda fakazi kakhulu ufakazi nje ngesikhathi kubheda usuke umuthi kuhle lithi iBhayibheli let the weak say I'm strong lithi let the poor say I'm rich ma usathane e-22 banokufakaza kubheda ungami uzobala usiza ukuthi ngizobabaza ukuhle kaNkulunkulu nakuba izinto zinje kodwa ngiyamangala uNkulunkulu vele muhle ngathi sonke isikhathi awuthi ushanisisa confuse the devil aqaleke ukuthi yini lento eshiwe lo muntu ngoba mina ngiqeda ukumbulalela imoto ukuthi acabanga ukuthi uzohlika inkonzo iziphungu ugijima ukuthi balofakazi uthi ngizophakamisa amanje esiphambano short imali yokurejista abantu bazoxotsha uthwalisa ukungathi basalwane nje iregistered uthi bazalumusa kaNkulunkulu ngoba ngiyafunda namanje ngiyathuka ukuthi ngisekhona ekepasi adideka amadimoni ukuthi umsakano njani lo kanti asazi thina ukuthi siyazi ukuthi konke kusebenzelana kube ngokuhle kuphi bazalene ngoba bethembayo uJehova khona izinto efuna ungasiniki isikhathi esiningi kuyibabaze kodwa uphile ngathi azenzeka zikho thola incwadi efuna imali ungenayo ebhenki bakunike 14 days kunokuthi ungalala ebusuku ulaliso kwengane ube ngathi uphuza amaphilisi okulala bayixabela ukuthi ulala kanjani kufuneka u100,000 engenawo uvuke ekuseni athi usathane incwadi ithi 14 days ekusele 13 uthi muhle uJesu noma kusele 13 days lufika usuku lika14 uvuke ekuseni athi usathane ngizoyembona uzoba depressed kanjani uvuke uyogeza uthi ngizukuthula nokwena enhlizweni yami athi amadimoni uhlanga lento ngisho ungayinikezani uhlanga uyasibenzakala you are not worshiping izinto wrong but you are praising the Lord even in darkness wabazalwane mhlawumbe siyilungiselele it doesn't move God ukukhala kwethu ukuthi ngisho into edabukisayo ngafakaza kazingakali it doesn't move God ukubona ukuthi sometimes ukukhala ngaphambili kodwa still ukuthi usathusa imali ngakula yazi lento ukubona ukuthi sometimes lithola ithuba usengibikelela umfundisi bishop bazalwane hayi kube rest bafuna umkhipha kube le ndoda isho umuntu kulanga wenzisifakazi naso lesi sikole imoto bese ukhala ibhendi belingelele piano ngoba ihamba nekabisa fika umkezi umphathe bafika ngakho bless you fika umkezi hleke haleluya ngale phansi uyitshela ukuthi wena ngoba ngikhalile la ngaphakathi kodwa uthi uyangena lithi indiya ushilo iningilisi namdizwe ngasi yakhe le race le lithi indiya when I will love this tomorrow but God moves the Lord ile nto enziwa kusifazana shonelwe ngane elithi iBhayibheli wathi seza ukuthi wambona umprofeti wathi hamba wathi ngeke yamgijima uyobheka ukuthi kwenzakala impela mama akhanjwa ngenyanga isabatha namhlanje nonkosikazi akwazibuza la ukubona ngeke asifashele namhlanje umthetho usukhande ngenyawo wathi mhlangabeze ucabanga ngoba uyomzwela uthi mhlangabeze uyombuza ukuthi kwenze njani wakugijima umprofeti isebenzi saphe sathi uthi angibuza ubaba ukuthi kwenze njani wasihlasela manje wathi nceke yomprofeti okay khamba kahle angilethwanga inkinga wayesenze njani wasi izulu laseliyabona ukuthi noma ingane yayibisifile mhlambe uNkulunkulu wayezomnika ingane kodwa uNkulunkulu unaki manje okuzalela ingane usukuthi kakhulu makhona umuntu osakana kangaka othi all is well eshiya ingane imbosiwe ungatsho ukuthi all is well ingane yakhe imbosiwe akuyona into elula ushiya ingane ifile fanele bayiphinde move olungisa umngobo kodwa wathi all is well mayifika umprofeti akakhali uthi angishongo yini umuntu omkhona uNkulunkulu akathi uthi uthi wemprofeti angishongo yini ukuthi si right nomuntu wami singenayo ingane wathi wena uzosinika usuze waphakamisa amahawks ethu bese sijwayela ukuhlala singenangane manje sesijwayela ukuhlala sinengane iphi ingane athi ngishiye kule camera elasihlanganisa mina nawe sahlanganiswa icamera ngiyithathile ngayishiya kulelo camera sort it out I did not ask for the child you told me I'll have a child mina I gave with no expectation of a child mina ngamnikele emprofetini kaNkulunkulu wena wangisukela unika ingane sort it out ibusiso wawuyithatha uNkulunkulu mase zinxakile awuyibanda abazokusiza kodwa uyakhiye ukuthi konke sort it out angaze ngicela uba nomusa angaze ngicela uba nemoto naku seyizodliwa sort it out wayinika uNkulunkulu kodwa ususizwa ama-social worker awuyithathanga kuma-social worker kodwa wayithatha uNkulunkulu lengane ephathisa ngekhanda mhla ifika wayiletha la i-altar sayibusiza sathi sifikile isibusiso kaDanile mayisihlupha usuhamba ama-social worker go back to the prophet and say sort it out siphinde la sayithatha khona imoto engihamba ngayo mfundisi kulabo ngayinikwa inkosi uma sengihluleka ukuyikhokhela I go back to him and say sort it out because mina nawe sihlangana ngangenayo imoto phathi siyithole sesinawe sort it out because leti izoxaka mina nawe problem mongazi wayithatha apha into zakho kunzima ukubuyela kuyena ingozi yokuthi mongazi wayithola apha uzinyana ukubuyela kuyena ngoba uyazi ukuthi wena khona nomuntu wakulekelela mofika kena uyingespeed ukuthi ngithathe kwena futhi enkosi wena wazi konke vele uyazi ukuthi nasisa uthi all is well might all is well wafika wathi umprofeti asamba wafika umprofeti wakwena ngaseyiphila there are things ekumele uziyeke zihambe empilweni yakho because asilona icebo likaNkulunkulu futhi noma ngabona ngathi azikho zimbi kodwa ahlukana nazo ngoba kusiyona icebo likaNkulunkulu kodwa uthembele naye uNkulunkulu ukuthi yena uyazi uJoseph engakakhula afike la afika khona if akavumanga ukwekhona separation it was painful when he was sold ubaba wakhe wahlalaza ukuthi ufile kanti leyo process of separation yona izomphakamisa. Wengazama inkosi eGibhithe ngoba iGibhithe lalikude nawo kodwa iyalethi iGibhithe eduzane ukuthi abafana bakuba bamlahle bamdayise. Ngamamazi iseparation kaJosepha iyona yenza uJosepha aphakanyiswe. Ukuba abafana baJosepha bamdayisa uJosepha uIsrael wezobulawa indlala ngesikhathi sesomiso. Kodwa that separation uma bona ukuthi omdala ngensuku wabona ukuthi lo mayiphakama la ngekulunge ngoba kusazofika isomiso badinga abantu baseGibhithe. Ngamanye amazwi ukudayiswa kwaJosepha kusizaka kuphela uJosepha kodwa wasizisiza sikaNkulunkulu. Yaswala ngithi bazalwane ulela ngemakhiyeza basaswaba. Maliboka igama lenkosi. Ngamanye amazwi khona izinto ofanele kuyiyeke zenzeke. Kukhona abantu asebasuka baqhele eduze kwakho. Ungakhalisi ukuthi basuka ihleli relax and say wena Nkosi uyazi ukuthi ufuna sishone ngala. Because in the process of growing sometimes separation is needed. Ukuba uSawula akafanga uPaul wayengekabe ukuba uSawula akafanga wayengekazabe inkosi uDavid. Ukuba akafanga uSawula uDavid akabasixoxi naye kodwa wakhosa ukuthi uSawula ahambe. The Lord rejected him. Wahlala rejectiwe waze wafa. It was up to kufa kwaSawula la khona uDavid warise khona wasemandleni. Ngamanye amazwi it was painful mayefa. Ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi uzodleke ngithatha eBhayibhelini. There are people abafa mambishop eBhayibhelini kwasala abanye baphakanyiswa. David was never going to rule if uSawula ngazange zafa. uFaro kuba afanga there's a Pharaoh oyekade ethanda uIsrael. Oyebahlalisa bonke eGosheni abanikeza ukudla abanikeza yonke into. No Pharaoh waphila isikhathi eside namanje usaphila namanje uIsrael ngabusacindezela. Kodwa ukufa kwaFaro kwaba buhlungu kuIsrael. Awu yapi inkosi esithandayo saqala sakhiswa intini. No. uNkulunkulu engabalahleli but God was separating them ethi sendicomfortable endaweni enronke. So uFaro had to die kuzala uFaro ngabafuni but bachaza usafika noJoseph bathi uba uJoseph. Wathi wafika wakwendini nobafu hayi nami ubaba wayidile nawe mina ngihlangana lapho lithi iBhayibheli wabacindezela. Ngamanye amazwi bacindezela kubona kanti uNkulunkulu ebalahleli kanti if God did not let that Pharaoh die ngabe uIsrael namhlanje usahlala eGibhithe ucindezela but ukufa kwalo Pharaoh kwenza ukuthi bahamba asiqhubeke siye phambili ukuba uJudas Iscariot akazange umdayise uJesu ngaba sincere namhlanje but uJudas had to sell Christ. For it was looking bad, it was looking terrible. Kodwa inhloko kaNkulunkulu iprofeto zazithi uyobulawa uJesu. Futhi iprofeto zazithi uJesu uyodayiswa. Somebody had to sell Christ and Judas was that person. I pray this morning ukuthi ungabi laba bazofa ukuze uphumelele abanye. Kodwa wena ube laba bazophumelela ungabi laba bazosala. And the choice is yours. God has given us the free will. Some will die. Haman akafanga. Mordecai ngakaphaka. Wathatha ukufa kwaHaman. Ukuze Mordecai aphakanyiswe. If Haman remained faithful, ngaMordecai namanje sifunda ngayo. But safunda ngayo bese phakeme. uSamuel wayengakaza umprofeti nejudge laKaIsrael. ubuEli nabafana bakhe abazange baze bafa. ubuEli nabafana bakhe baphila ngabasimazi umprofeti uSamuel. But uEli had to die ukuze uSamuel enze njani aphaka. It was painful mayefa and everybody was saying kanjani. No, uJohn umpapatisi owayememezela uJesu wamemezela sashaya isikhathi wamemezela but ukuba akafanga uJesu ezophazamiseka. Nakuba lithi iBhayibheli uJesu waphatheka kabe sefile but kwakuswelekile ukuthi ngoba wayefotela, he was foretelling Christ. Imessage yakhe eyikhuluma ngomuntu ozayo. So isikhathi somuntu ozayo sasesiphelile. Ngoba umuntu ozayo usenjani usefikile. Ukuze uKristu akwazi ukuphakama ungathi ukuthi ukhuluma lo kaJohane ngoba lithi iBhayibheli naye uJohane wayenabafundi. Wakunabafundi baJohane, kunabafundi baJesu. Na ukuze uJesu aphakame uNkulunkulu wamdedela uJohane ngoba icebo lakhe leselifezile. Ngamanye amazwi, we are not praying for people to leave us. We are not praying for people to die. But we are just aware that some people will not be loyal to us forever. Let your perseverance go and don't fool yourself with them be loyal. Bakuthanda ukuthi sometimes uNkulunkulu uzobayeka. balwe nawe kanti uNkulunkulu usezokuphakamisa. Don't let go, don't hold on to something kanti siyobulala. Dedela wehle. I-fall will be painful, but the rising will give you joy. Ungabambeleli entweni kanti siyobulala. Khona abantu manje ufuna uphume la. Usuka ngeke for too long. Ufuna ukuhlangana baba bangani ba babe connection yakho hamba bashiya because they are blocking your progress. Deal with the pain now. Kunokuthi uthi lena loss later abantu. Kunabantu osubancengile ubeke eceleni kwakho. Kunezinto lebelo ikhalela ukuthi zihambile. Namhlanje deal with the loss and move on and say konke kusebenzana kube kuhle baba methemba abani uJehova. Lokho kubonakala kungasebenzi empilweni yakho naloko esikuthuka ngakho ukuthi kade kwenzeka ukuthi why ingenzeka ukuthi phuma nawe ngoNkulunkulu ukuthi ngibonga ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukuhamba konke ngiyazi kuzosebenzana kube ngokuhle kwabanjani kwabamethemba uJehova. Ungaforce izinto uNkulunkulu afuna ukukhipha kuzona. Ungaforce ama relationships uNkulunkulu afuna ukukhatha kuona. Ungaforce ukuthi uaccept wethini uNkulunkulu afuna ukukhipha. Ngiyazi ku painful sometimes ukuthi udedele ezinye izinto ngoba zibonana zisisiza. Kodwa phuma la ukuthi inkosi lento mangayidinga empilweni yami mayihamba. Because ngiyazi ukuthi noma kubuhlungu kodwa kuzosebenza. Webazalwane kunabantu abake bahlale besaba istage sokujola nomuntu. Ahlala bekezelela i-relationship obonayo ukuthi i-relationship ezophuma idumbu lemva ka 10 years. Kodwa ahlale because usaba ukuthi nje kuzothiwani angifune kumhetha ungcono umhethe manje. Kunokuthi ahethe thina sekubulele sesiyokulanda sekufike. It's not working. Don't force it. Let go. Uhlele ekhaya usebenzi. Ubona abantu befakazi bayithola imisebenzi. Wena uyithole. Konke kuzosebenzana kube ngokuhle. Abemethembayo uJehova. When the time is right, uNkulunkulu uzokwenza njani? Uzokuphakamisa. Uyagula akubonakala ukuthi uphethe yini. Nabantu bazibakutshela ukuthi ngeke usasinda. Kodwa when the time is right, so besihlabelele nawe sithi kwabonile amandla kaNkulunkulu ephilisa. Ingane iyahlupha ifuna ukuya esikoleni ngelinye ilanga kodwa ubuye uthi siyabonga uNkulunkulu ingane seyibuyile. Akulethi ifuna abantu abazohlala uthi inkosi ngiyazi uzosebenzana kube ngokuhle. Kulabo methemba. Tell my family as you are about to pray ukuthi it will work for your good and your favor. In the good time. Isingise siyidelisi. Konke uzosebenzana kube ngokuhle. Ngoba siyamethemba uJehova. Sipersonalize message konke. Uzosebenzana kube ngokuhle. Ngoba siyamethemba uJehova. Noma ngabe kuthiwa akulungile manje kodwa nako lokho kulunga lokho konke uzosebenzana kube ngokuhle ngoba siyamethemba uJehova. Nalabo ababona ukuthi abaphumeleli ngithi konke uzobonakala kube ngokuhle ngoba siyamethemba uJehova. Nalabo esisathekayo ungasakhali konke uzosebenzana kube ngokuhle ngoba siyamethemba uJehova. Mabisho basikhulekela sibonge.
Sibonga kakhulu baba wethembekile. Sibonga kakhulu Nkosi yomusa. Siyabonga uNkulunkulu wokuthula bonke baba wethu namandla. Siyabonga Jehova okuhlakanipha kwakho. Akunamqondo